We have been joined by Lok Sabha MP of Indian Muslim League, E.T. Mohammad Bashir. Sir, today you have come here at Jantar Mantar to join farmers' agitation. What is your message to the government?
Government should forthwith discuss with these people and they must come forward to make amendment even to repeal this legislation which they have made. When it came in the parliament, we took a strong stand that this farming law cannot be allowed. And they were not even expecting an agitation like this. Perhaps this agitation may be an historical one in Indian agitation history because such a long period they were keeping the same kind of spirit in that. So in that way, they have proved that the farmers' agitation cannot be taken into as an easy thing. So they have united. That itself is their success. Irrespective of party consideration, they have joined together. We have urged the government not to continue with this kind of things.
But we are seeing that both the sides are adamant on their viewpoint. Like
No.
farmers are.
Farmers, what is their adamancy? They are they are fighting for a noble cause only, not like this. So they are not at fault. Fault is from the side of the government.
But sir, central government is not ready to repeal the three farm laws.
Yes. We will continue the agitation. We will strengthen that agitation. The entire people will rally around them. And we are confident that ultimate success will be that of the farmers.
Joined by Congress Party's MP K. Suresh sir. Today you have joined farmers protest. What do you want to say about it?
Kerala MPs come here for the support of the farmers' agitation. After Parliament adjournment, we came together. More than 10 MPs come here and registered our solidarity of the farmers.
Sir, it has been so long, but the central government is still adamant on their points.
Government of India is not ready to repeal the three farms law. That's why the farmers are continues their strike on agitation on last 8 months. Now Parliament is monsoon session already started. The farmers, thousands of farmers came from there, Punjab, Haryana, from here. So today morning we are moved adjournment motion to the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha to urgent immediate discussion. But government is not ready to discuss this farmers matter. That's why we agitated today.
This was Congress Kerala MP K. Suresh, who have joined here at Jantar Mantar to support the farmers' agitation, and he has said that Congress is repeatedly demanding a discussion over the matter in the Parliament. Today also many Congress MPs have given adjournment motion in the Parliament demanding a proper discussion in both the houses regarding the farmers' agitation. This is Nyamika Singh reporting from Delhi for ETV Bharat.